Hello, this is Punchy Health. Last time we talked about understanding anti-malaria resistance, which we describe anti-malaria drug resistance to be the ability of the malaria parasite strain to survive or multiply despite the patient receiving and absorbing the recommended or even higher dose of the drug. Today we are going to be looking at how we can combat anti-malaria resistance. To prevent and contain anti-malaria drug resistance, we must address the biological drivers of the resistance while strengthening the healthcare delivery. Malaria drug resistance is primarily driven by three factors: the volume of the parasite exposure to the drug, the specific concentration of the drug in the bloodstream, and whether the drug is being used alone or in combination with other effective drugs. Each of these factors must be well taken care of if we are going to successfully contain anti-malaria drug resistance. Here is the breakdown of the strategic pillars for containment of anti-malaria drug resistance. One is clinical best practice. In regions where current treatments are effective, the focus must be on stewardship. This includes but not limited to A. Universal diagnostic testing. This means that we ensure that every suspected case is confirmed before treatment to avoid unnecessary drug exposure. B. Quality assurance. This means that we guarantee that only high quality regulated medication reaches the patient. And C. Patients adherence. This means educating patients to complete their full treatment courses. Two, eliminating monotherapies. By monotherapy, it means treating malaria with just one class of medications. So the use of oral artemisinin-based monotherapies is a major catalyst for development of anti-malaria drug resistance. To combat this, the World Health Organization has urged a global shift towards banning the production and marketing of monotherapies. Secondly, replacing them with artemisinin-based combination therapies, the ACTs, which uses partner drugs to ensure that all parasites are cleared. Three is integrated vector control. Reducing the overall parasite burden within the population is very important, as this will help to reduce the emerging resistance. By scaling up vector control, such as use of insecticide-treated mosquito net, indoor spraying, and many other possible vector control methods, we reduce the number of infections. This will help also in reducing the number of people who are exposed to these malaria drugs. Fourthly, we talk about intensive containment and elimination. Here we are discussing about in areas or regions where resistance has already been established, strategies must shift from just control to aggressive suppression. Also, in low transmission areas with documented resistance, the goal should be to rapidly eliminate malaria parasites. This is Punchy Health. Keep a date with us now and always.